Today, many rescued animals experience PTSD. They need help to heal before they can integrate into your family. Animal communication and energy healing are two powerful tools to assist them. Why do so many animals experience trauma today? Many of the reasons are similar to those experiences that can cause PTSD in humans. Too early separation from the mother dog, cat, or horse, for whatever reason. Separation from their human family due to hurricanes, storms, flooding, fires, earthquakes, and other weather or earth-changing event in which people and their animals can become separated. Being shuffled from one rescue place to another in the genuinely loving effort to find the rescued animal a new home. Traumatic loss because the family is no longer able to keep the animal due to financial and/or health changes. When animals are dropped off at shelters or abandoned without explanation, they are confused, scared, hurt, angry, grieving, and afraid, just to name a few emotions that come up for them. When the shelter is one that kills animals after so many days, the animals know they might be killed, and the spirits of other animals killed there may be lingering, making the situation even more uncomfortable. This is not a complete list, but this list illustrates that one or more of these experiences may make integrating into a new loving family a challenge for the animal you've so lovingly adopted. The good news is that animals can recover from PTSD. When you adopt an animal from a rescue facility, you may not realize immediately that the animal is having difficulty adjusting. I've had clients ask for my assistance after struggling for a year or more to connect with a dog or horse who has experienced a traumatic event. These clients are good, kind, loving, nurturing people who have tried everything they can think of to help their new animal companion adjust. Often they have been pouring love to an animal who is not open to receiving it. Of course, the sooner you ask for assistance, the sooner you and the animal will begin to build trust and open a loving connection between you. When an animal is emotionally shut down, afraid of experiencing yet another loss, and/or distrustful that this will be their forever home, something else must be added to the equation to assist them. Whatever history you have about the animal is also a very important piece of the puzzle. Using my animal communication and energy healing skills, I can offer you and your new companion special assistance. Over several sessions, I am able to establish a rapport with an animal who is very shut down. It can actually help me connect with them because I'm not physically present. Working from a distance, I can easily make a telepathic connection, which some animals experience as less intrusive than a human stranger being physically in the animal's space. Furthermore, telepathically and energetically, I can feel what the animal is feeling because I'm a strong emotional empathy. I can feel if the animal has a huge wall around themselves, or just needs some additional reassurance. I can feel if the animal is distrustful and can suggest ways of building trust. I can often feel if the animal is hiding something or lying to me and/or to themselves. I can ask other animals in your family for any insights they want to share, assuming they have already met the new family member. These often prove to be of immense value in understanding what's going on with an animal who is too closed down to share very much. I can scan the animal energetically, with the animal's permission, to pick up energy patterns in their auric field, chakras, and physical body. Once we have a better understanding of what's going on for that animal, we together develop a plan of action. Sometimes flower essences are a good way to start. I am able to suggest appropriate essences to assist you and your animal companion. As a certified practitioner of the Emotion Code trademark, developed by Dr. Bradley Nelson, I know what a valuable tool this is for assisting an animal with PTSD. This system has also been shown to be effective with humans. Releasing emotional blocks and reducing or eliminating walls around their hearts will bring about huge healing shifts. As a certified multidimensional healer, I work with healing teams from source to remove the energy patterns of trauma, repair chakras, and other damaged areas, assist the animals' bodies to rebalance, and bring the animal into a space of harmony, peace, and openness to their new life circumstances. I may also refer you to other practitioners who offer many other alternative services that will assist the animal, such as acupuncture, chiropractic, theta healing, and basic training for dogs and horses. Having a plan of action helps you and the animal know what next steps to take and have a sense that there truly is hope of healing the animal and the entire situation. Have you recently brought home a new animal or are planning to adopt from a rescue place? If so, keep in mind that while coming to your home is the best thing for this animal, in some cases you may need to take some extra steps to help the animal integrate and become part of your loving family.